Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to delete a comment on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, you'll need to go to the YouTube app on your devices. Once we've gone, in the bottom right corner, click on your profile, or in the top right corner. Now we need to find settings with you. Then we should open Manage All History. It's loading like this. We have a Google account open. Now we have to wait a little bit, and after that, we can find the comments and clear them. Here you can open History. We click on History. Here we can see the videos, the likes we put, the dislikes, the comments and replies. Click here. Now here we can see all the comments that we've written. Let's say yesterday at 1925, I replied to this comment. I wrote to a person on October 8th. I wrote this comment. On October 6th, I wrote this comment. If we want to delete any of the comments, we click on this cross and delete it. This is a simple way to delete any comment on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes if you liked and helped this video. Goodbye.